Hello friends, today I will describe the usual in shortcut method to find the foot of the perpendicular and the image of a point with respect to a given line. Let us start the chapter. Now we come to the foot of perpendicular and image of a point with respect to a line. Let this line is L1 and its slope is M. Suppose it is a point P whose coordinate is x1, y1. In this method, first step is suppose a line perpendicular to L1 is drawn from x1, y1. Then since slope and suppose this line is L2 and the slope of since the slope of line L1 is M, therefore slope of line M2 L2 will be minus 1 upon M. Therefore, equation of line perpendicular to L1 from x1 y1 will be y minus y1 is equal to slope of this, that is minus 1 upon M into x minus x1. Suppose it is equation R L2. Now, by solving the equation L1 and L2, we can find coordinate of this. It will be foot of perpendicular, and let this coordinate is x2, y2. Now suppose this point is the image whose coordinates are x3, y3. Now the image of x1, y1 is x3, y3, and this foot of perpendicular will be the midpoint of point P x1, y1 and the image x3, y3, so that we can find the coordinate of image that is x3, y3. Now in the shortcut method to find the image and the perpendicular, let I is the image whose coordinates are x1, y, xy of a point x1, y1 with respect to a line L1 whose equation is x plus vy plus c. Therefore, in this case, x minus x1 upon a is equal to y minus y1 upon b is equal to minus 2x1 plus vy1 plus c upon a square plus b square. Therefore, we can easily find the coordinate of image by solving this equation to solve the x and y. Now, if the foot of perpendicular is f whose coordinate is x2, y2, it will be the midpoint of point P x1, y1 and the image I xy. Therefore, we can easily find the coordinate x2, y2 by the formula that x2 is equal to x plus x1 upon 2 and y2 is equal to y plus y1 upon 2. Now we take an example. Find the foot of the perpendicular and image of the point 1, 5 with respect to the line x plus 2y is equal to 6. Since by in the usual method, if the equation of line is x plus 2y is equal to 6, then slope of line will be minus coefficient of x upon coefficient of y, that is minus 1 upon 2. Since slope of the perpendicular line is m, the m is equal to 1 upon slope of the given line, Therefore, it will be minus 1 upon 1 upon 2, that it is equal to 2. Therefore, equation of perpendicular line will be y minus y1, y1 is 5, so y minus 5 is equal to 2x minus 1. That is y minus 5 is equal to 2x minus 2. Therefore, 2x minus y is equal to minus 3. This is the perpendicular line. As the equation of line is x plus 2y is equal to 6. It is the equation of a given line. We will solve it simultaneously. We will multiply with this equation by 2. Therefore, equation will be 2x minus y is equal to minus 3. X 2x plus 4y is equal to 12. Now we will solve it. 2x will be cancelled. Therefore, minus 5y is equal to minus 15. Implies that y is equal to 3. Now we will put the value of y in the equation x plus 2y is equal to 6. Y is equal to 6 in the equation number 1. Y is equal to, that is x plus 2 into 6 is equal to 6, implies that x is equal to 0. Implies that foot of perpendicular is 0, 3. Now it is a point P whose coordinate is 1, 5 and foot of perpendicular, this is 0, 3. Let this image whose coordinate is x, y, then foot of perpendicular 0, 3 will be midpoint of P and I. Therefore, in this case, 0 is equal to x plus 1 upon 2 implies that x equal to minus 1. 3. Similarly, 3 is equal to y plus 5 upon 2 implies that y is equal to 1. Therefore, coordinate of image is minus 1, 1. In the direct method, if image is ix, y and point is x1, y1 with respect to ax plus by vic, then this x minus x1 upon a will y minus y1 upon b is equal to minus 2x1 plus by1 plus c upon a square plus b square. Therefore, in this case, it will be x minus x1 is 1, therefore 1, a is 1 is equal to y and y1 is 5, that is y minus 5, b is equal to 2, 2 is equal to minus 2, ax1 is means 1 into 1, 1 into 1 plus by1 means 2 into 5, 5 and c, we will come here, then c will be minus 6 upon a square plus b square. A is 1, that is 1 square. B is 2, that is 2 square. 2 square. Therefore, it will be x minus 1 upon 1 is equal to y minus 5 upon 2 is equal to minus 2 upon 1 plus 10 minus 6 upon 1 plus 4 that is equal to -2, 1 plus 4 upon 5, that is equal to -2. Now when x minus 1 upon 1 is equal to -2 implies that x is equal to -1 is equal to -2 implies that x is equal to -1. Similarly, when y minus 5 upon 2 is equal to -2 implies that y minus 5 is equal to -4 implies that y is equal to 1. Therefore, image is -1, 1. Now in this case, point is 1, 5 is the P point and image is and image I is -1, 1. This will be foot of perpendicular. Let this point is x, y. Therefore, x is equal to 1 minus 1 upon 2, that is 0, and y is equal to 1 plus 5 upon 2, that is 6 upon 2, that is 3. Therefore, foot of perpendicular is 0, 3. It is all for today. Now I request you to subscribe my channel so that you may get the notification regarding my upcoming videos. Thank you.